Good morning, students. This is the 11th part of Chapter 5 Parties and Party System in India. We have discussed about the elections of 1967, and first time in this election Congress contested without Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and in under the leadership of inexperienced Mrs. Indira Gandhi, and the outcome or the result of the elections of 1967 have jolted the Congress at center level as well as at state level. Today we will discuss what changes occurred in Indian politics after the elections of 1967. Students, three major changes occurred in Indian politics after the fourth general election. First was coalitions, second was defection, and third was regional party. We will discuss one by one about each and every change that occurred in Indian politics after the fourth general elections of 1967. Yes, coalition. Coalition means formation of government by two or more than two parties. Students, I have told you about the DMK that got clear majority first time. But after the election of 1967, in many states, coalition government was formed. Because when no single party gets majority, then two or more than two parties join together to form the government that is known as coalition government. So, what happened in many of the states after the elections of 1967, that Sanyukt Vidhayak Dal in Hindi, Joint Legislative Party, that supported non-Congress government, and SVD government in Bihar included two socialist party, SSP and PSP, along with CPI on the left and Jan Sangh on the right. If we talk about Punjab, in Punjab it was called Popular United Front, which was comprised of two opposite parties or two rival parties, Akalis Sant group and Akali Master Tara Singh group, with both the communist parties CPI and CPIM, SSP, Republican Party and Bharatiya Janasangh. Means in many states, 8 states, in total 9 states there was non-Congress government. Out of them, one Madras state having the majority government of DMK. In other 8 states there was coalition government. Clear? Now the next change occurred in Indian political system, that is defection. Defection means to change the party after winning the election. Means when a contestant won the election with the symbol of any party, and after getting elected he or she joins another party, that is known as defection. Clear? And this period was known as Aya Ram Gaya Ram period. Why? Why this period was known as Aya Ram Gaya Ram? Actually, there was a MLA in Haryana. The name of that MLA was Gaya Lal. Gaya Lal was an MLA in Haryana in 1967. He changed his party 3 times in 15 days. Within 15 days, he changed the party 3 times. Firstly he was in Congress, then he went to United Front, then again he come back to Congress, and then within 9 hours he again went back to United Front. So it is said that Gayalal declared his intention to quit the United Front and join the Congress. The Congress leader Rao Virendra Singh brought him to Chandigarh press that and declared in front of press that Gaya Ram was now Aya Ram, means again he is in the party. So this was a phrase, Aya Ram and Gaya Ram, means the symbol of defection, means after the elections of 1967 defection was common in Indian politics. The third major change in Indian politics was the rise of regional party. Dravid Munnetra Kazhagam you have studied in Tamil Nadu. At that time it was known as Madras. This DMK won clear majority, and I have told you the reason, because this DMK has given support to the anti-Hindi agitation of students of Madras, and after that the value of regional party has increased in Indian politics. That's all for today, and tomorrow we will meet again to discuss some more changes in Indian political system. Till then, goodbye. Take good care of yourself.